Good morning, dear student. In previous class, we were learning about present indefinite tense. We have known about present indefinite tense. In affirmative sentence, we use first form of the verb when the subject is in plural number. We use first form with s or es when the subject is in third person singular subject. Dear student, in your examination will be asked a question. Fill in the blanks with correct form of the verb given in bracket. So you will have to fill up the blanks using tenses. In this class we will use how will we fill the correct form of the verb in examination. Dear student, you will have to identify in question which tense is used. Dear student, here some identification is given here from which we can identify some. They are to express universal truth. Dear student, universal truth which is always true here and there, in India and abroad, the fact which is always true is called universal truth. Permanent truth also we can say. To express universal truth, we will use present indefinite tense. Present indefinite tense means we will use first form of the verb, but we have to keep in mind that subject is singular or plural. If subject singular, we will add s or es to the first form of the verb. If the subject is in plural number, we will use only first form of the verb. So to express universal truth, we will use present indefinite tense. And present habit, present routine, daily work, always in present indefinite tense. To show scientific fact and mathematical calculation or facts, we will use present indefinite tense. In proverbs, idioms, we will use present indefinite tense. In newspaper headlines, present indefinite tense is used. To express effectful description of historical events, we use present indefinite tense. To express future planned action, we use present indefinite tense and present continuous tense. How will we use? We learn from examples. Dear student, so future time using when or in conditional clause, we use present indefinite tense. When clause, in which there are two clauses. First, if first is in present indefinite tense and the other clause will be future indefinite tense. If other clause is in future indefinite tense, then the first one will be in present indefinite tense. Dear students, 9th one, some adverb of time indicates the present indefinite tense. If there are in a sentence adverb of time, some words, always, often, sometimes, usually, generally, frequently, rarely, regularly, daily, occasionally, they show present indefinite tense. If there are there are these words in a sentence. We will use present indefinite tense. We will use present indefinite tense in the blanks. Every day, every night, every month, every week, every year, each day, each night, each week, each month, each year shows present indefinite tense. On Sundays, on Mondays shows present indefinite tense. In the morning, in the evening, once a day, twice in a day shows present indefinite tense, and once or twice shows regularity of action. Regular action. Dear student, we will learn from example. Dear student, we have here some examples. First, the sun rises up in the east. Dear student, in this sentence, we can say the sun rises up in the east. This is the example of universal truth. And to express universal truth, we use present indefinite tense. You know very well what is present indefinite tense. Indefinite tense. Present indefinite tense is first form of the verb. If the subject is singular, we add s or es to the first form of the verb. The earth rises up in the east. Dear student, this is a universal truth. And earth moves round the earth moves round the sun. Dear student, the sun. This is example of universal truth. Water boils at 100 degrees centigrade. Dear student, this is the example of scientific fact, and to express scientific fact we use present indefinite tense. Follow and study wins the race. This is a proverb, and to express proverb we use present indefinite tense, and here present indefinite tense first form of the verb. Follow and study wins the race. Akbar calls Birbal and asks. Dear student, Akbar calls Birbal. This is a historical event, and to show effect, we use present indefinite tense. Two murderers escaped. This is a newspaper headline. Dear student, only in newspaper headlines we use present indefinite tense. If I will write a story, I give it to you. If this is a conditional clause, काश मैं एक कहानी लिख पाऊंगा और इसे तुम्हें दूंगा. When I finish the letter, I will give it to you. This is when time clause. In this, there are two clauses. First, present indefinite tense, and other one, future indefinite tense is used. His father retired next month. Dear student, this is future planned action. In this sentence, we use present indefinite tense when the speaker is not involved. The bus leaves for Jaipur a.m. early in the morning. Dear student, this is the pre-planned action according to schedule. Raju plays hockey in the evening. In the evening is used. The adverb of time shows present indefinite tense and regularity in general time. My sister takes milk daily. The adverb of daily is used. You often tell a lie. Here which solve present indefinite tense. Dear student, you will have to memorize present indefinite tense. Thank you.